I really like taking cuttings in the summer. They partly because they root really well. And also, it's time when you tend to think about the plants that you really, really like. And one of my new favourites is this little dianthus. Dianthus have had a bit of a reputation of being a bit sort of like a granny plant, and for me they are totally a granny plant because my granny used to love taking cuttings of dianthus. She used to hardly be able to walk past one without taking a cutting of it. I've got a pot here of seed compost, which is a really gritty mix of compost, so it'll keep it really well drained so the cuttings hopefully won't rot. And I'm just going to dib a few holes in it and pop my cutting in and just give it a little firm. Take care not to touch the cut ends of the cutting because you can introduce pathogens that way. I've got room in this pot for about 5 cuttings, and once I've filled it, I'm going to give it a little water and put it on a windowsill that's not too sunny and just keep an eye on it. They'll take about 3 weeks to root, and once they've rooted really properly, you'll see the roots just starting to poke through the bottom of the pot, and that is how long I tend to leave them. Once they've got like that, I'll knock them out of the pot and repot them individually. And as I say, that'll take about 3 weeks, a month, something like that.